Hello everyone, how to solve this problem for the values of x if we have x times of x minus 2 is equals to 4 times of x, and we solve this problem for all the values of x. So here first we find all the roots of this equation, and at the last we will verify that which of the roots are solution of this equation and which of the roots are extraneous roots. Okay, so also at the end I can explain the term extraneous root, so please watch this video at the end. Further, we solve this problem for two methods, and I hope so you like both of these methods. But if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And now we move towards the solution in first method, and here in the first method we move 4x in the left hand side, and when you move this 4x into the left hand side, it will be written as x times of x minus 2. This is positive 4x. When we move in the left hand side, it will become minus 4x, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now you see here both of these terms involve x. This means that this x be the common term. So when we will take common this x, we get the remaining values are, from here we get x minus 2, and minus from here we get minus 4 only, and this is equals to 0. And now further in the next step we need to add or subtract the like terms. We have this is x minus, this is minus 2 minus 4 becomes minus 6, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now here in the next step we need to divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write x is equals to 0, and the second case is we write x minus 6 is equals to 0. So this is our first root of the given equation, and from here we just move this minus 6 to the right hand side, and we get the value of x is equals to plus 6. So further in the next step we get here these are the two roots of the given equation, and now here we will verify that which of these roots are solution and which of these roots are extraneous roots. So for verification of this we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is x times of x minus 2 is equals to 4x. So here in this side we will be verify x is equals to 0, and in this side we will be verify x is equals to 6. So here first we focus on x is equals to 0, and when you put x is equals to 0 on both of the sides of this equation, we get here the output in this form. This is 0 times of 0 minus 2 is equals to 4 times of 0, and here you know that this is 0 times of 0 minus 2 becomes minus 2, and 4 times of 0 becomes 0, and 0 multiplied by minus 2 equals to 0 equals to 0. So this shows that the value of x is equals to 0 is satisfied our given question statement. So here we conclude about x equals to 0 is that x is equals to 0 be the solution of the given equation. This is the first solution of the given equation. And now we verify x is equals to 6. So again we put this x equals to 6 on both of the sides, and it will be written as 6 times of 6 minus 2 is equals to 4 times of 6, and we have 6 times of 6 minus 2 becomes 4 is equals to 4 times of 6 becomes 24, and this is again 6 times of 4 becomes 24. So you see here clearly 24 is equals to 24. So this means that both of the sides are equal when we choose x is equals to 6. This means that x is equals to 6 is also satisfied our given question statement. So this means that x is equals to 6 is also be the solution of the given equation. So this question does not have any extraneous root. So here I can explain the term extraneous root. The roots which cannot satisfy our given question statement is called the extraneous root. So here we have the solution set is that 0 and 6. Okay, so in first method the solution set is 0 and 6, And now we move towards our second method. And now here in the second method, first we need to copy down given question statement here. So that our given question statement is x times of x minus 2 is equals to 4x. This is our given question statement. And in the second method, we just divide both of the sides by x. Here we have the condition is that our x is not equals to 0, because if x is 0 we cannot divide by x, because when you divide by x is equal to 0 this will becomes undefined, and when this is undefined so we cannot solve further. So here our condition is that when x is not equals to 0 then you can divide both of the sides by x, and when you divide by x it will be written as x times of x minus 2 divided by x is equals to 4x divided by x. And you see here this x is cancelled out by this x, this is cancelled out by this x, and we get here x minus 2 is equals to 4 only. And for the values of x we need to move this minus 2 to the right hand side, and it will becomes here plus 2. So we get x is equals to 6. So in the second method we again get the value of x is equals to 6, but here already in the first method we verify this value of x. It is the solution of the given equation. So this is our final answer of this question. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.